Hi, here's a demo video of our HDMI encoder and the decoders. Here's we have the settings. Basically, I have two input source. One is the player, and one is the Xbox. So through these two input port, and I have two 1x2 HDMI splitters. So one output from the splitter is directly to the encoder here, and this one is a full channel input encoder, and another two HDMI outputs from this 1x2 splitter, which is connected to this dual monitor here. So basically, I can monitor the local source and how it works. Okay, so here I have the two HDMI source to this full channel HDMI encoder, then through the IP line cable, then to this Wi-Fi router here. Then I have another line cable which is connected to the decoder here, and then I have one HDMI cable output directly to this 55-inch monitor here. Then another line cable which is connected to my PC, so I can use my PC to do the settings for both decoders and also the encoders. So we just go through the encoders first. So for the encoder, basically we just go to the web GUI, and the IP address is 192.168.1.171. And once we log in, basically we can see here we have those settings here. We have the status, input port 1, input port 2, input 3, input port 4, and also the system. So basically right now we can just have a status, and we can check out the current status. And also input port 1, input port 2. Because currently I didn't have any these two inputs, but I have input 3 and 4. So just scrolling down. Input port 3. So this is the mainstream. We can just preview the source here. So this is the source preview, and we also can just turn up the volume, and then we can hear the sound is coming out. Okay. So as you can see here, we can just mute and preview both video and audio sound. Okay. So this is the input port 3, but we also have 3 sub streamings. Same, we can just preview them. Input port 1, port 2, input port 3. So sub channel 1, let's preview it. Okay, it's the same thing. And input port 4, mainstream, we also can preview. Okay, this is from the Xbox. And if we wanna, just like if we have the tablets, once we have the tablets installed with the VLC, then we can just have tablets connected to this Wi-Fi router. We also can do the same preview. So here I'm just going to preview the input port 3, which is a player. So let's copy the RTSP address here. TSP address, copy. Then go to the VLC player and media and open network stream. Then paste the address here. Then play. Then we'll choose the IP address here, and we can preview the source. Okay, so this one we just use the VLC player, but the same thing on the tablets. And another option, we just click this one, and we also have the encoder here. That's why how we have a full window show on this full 55-inch display. So for the decoder, and basically also the same thing, we also can use the web GUI. And here we got the status, and which mean for us to because currently we have 4 channels. If we don't, we just want one channel showing as one full screen, and we just go to the address setting here. Then here we just choose as 1. Then we're just going to preview the media player, also audio as well. We'll click apply. Just wait a little bit. it will also choose a success window on this one. So success, we just click OK. Then here we go. We got one large picture shows on this one, and this is the original source, which is just split by the 1x2 splitter. And this one through the Wi-Fi router, through the encoder, then Wi-Fi router, then the HDMI decoder here. Then we got this picture out. And the same if I preview the Xbox, I'll just do the same setting here. We can just go to the encoder, then find the IP address, RDSP address, input 4, you can check out. So this is the RDSP address. Go to the decoder here, just do the same. Then click apply. It shows already a success. Just wait a little bit. Now it's coming out. So if you want to have 4 channel, it's the same thing. We just have a decoder as 4. So we can just enter the IP address accordingly. Then audio from this one, channel 2, apply. Okay, 2 channels are coming out. One is coming out. Okay, so now we got 4 windows and audio is coming out from the channel 2. So this is how we do the settings for the HDMI 4 channel HDMI encoders and also the HDMI decoders. Okay, thank you.